Hello friends! In today's video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on Localhost using XAMPP server. If you want to build your own website or test your projects locally, this tutorial will help you a lot. Localhost simply means your own computer acting as a mini web server, allowing you to run a website offline just like real hosting. Normally, you need a domain and hosting to build a website, but if you're still learning, you can practice completely free using Localhost. To create our local server, we'll use XAMPP, which includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP, the core components needed for WordPress. Go to apachefriends.org, select your operating system, download XAMPP, and install it by clicking Next, Next, Install. After installation, open the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. If both turn green, your server is running. Next, go to WordPress.org, download WordPress, and extract the zip file. To create the required database, type localhost phpMyAdmin in your browser. Click on New, name your database OuterDB, and click Create. Before installation, open your database in phpMyAdmin, go to Privileges, edit the user, add or update your login information, username and password, and click Go. Now copy the WordPress folder and paste it into the XAMPP/.host directory. Then open your browser and type localhost/WordPress, and the installation screen will appear. Select your language, click Continue, enter your database name OuterDB, your username and password, and click Run Installation. Set your site title, admin username, password, and email. Then click Install WordPress. Within seconds, your setup will be ready. Click Login, enter your credentials, and you'll reach the WordPress Dashboard, where you can manage your site, design pages, publish posts, and install plugins. To make your website look better, go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, choose any theme, install it, and activate it. So today you learned how to install WordPress on Localhost using XAMPP. In the next video, we'll learn how to publish your local website online for free. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.